gram size, no? Pang solo or pang small meal for 2 people lang. Next, oh. Ayan, yun yung questions. Salamat doon sa sumagot kanina. Please enjoy yung Bulalo World GCs ninyo, no? Available in 28 branches. Then, susunod. Salamat po for this opportunity, no? Itong naging Mexican talk po, pero sana marami kayo napulot. Again, dito po sa lifestyle natin, sa tactical, sa outdoor, nagpe-prep tayo ng gear, nagpe-prep tayo ng water, pero huwag niyong kalimutan yung nourishment niyo. Kasi lahat naman itong ginagawa natin na nagaling dito sa loob natin, and we have to have food. Not just any food, but food that makes us happy, food that gives us energy. And yun yung real Filipino food natin na walang refrigeration needed, walang freezing, ambient storage lang, lightweight packs, and most of all, proudly made in the Philippines na masarap. We will provide comfort food, no, for your outdoorness. Again, I'm Ben. Our partner is Black Octopus Gear. Please contact si Mr. Elvis sila and his team there for any inquiries. At maraming salamat po. Good afternoon sa ating lahat.